Hello guys, this is Krishna and today we'll take a look at the Python topic which is called list, and I welcome you all on behalf of CSI Chapter 3 for Vit-Ap University. So what is a list? List is collection of data. In a list you can store multiple data with a single variable name. So how to create a list? There are few ways of creating list. Let me just tell you two of them that you can do it live on quickly. This is a simple list, and there is one more simple way to create list. Let's say a is equal to list, and within parentheses we have to enter the entries of the list. Let's say CSI. So what it does, it just split every element of this string and give them an index within the list. We can also do it like print and type of list. And you can look over here, it is of class list, and let's try to print out the type of file. A and L both are of class list. Let me just comment this out. And whatever you wanna print a list, it is very simple. Just print and enter the variable of the list. Look over here. What this list function does, it separates each element of the string and typecasts them into the list. It happens like this. It is very simple. I hope it is clear to you guys. So what we are gonna do is, like, let's change some elements of this list. Working with list is a very simple task. I hope you all know it, and I am assuming you all know about indexing of the list. If not, you just can take a look at the previous videos. We made a complete 2 videos regarding this indexing at all. You can just take a look at them. It is very simple. So what I am doing is I am updating the element at index 0 and index 1 of this list, and let's say I am changing it to 5, and instead of let's do it A. And let's just print out A. You can take a look over here, the 2 elements which I have changed. What, like, change C and S are changed to 5. But let's do something interesting. What if I say A is equal to A1 minus 5? What should be the output? Take your time, just scratch your head, try to figure out the output. Comment your answer in the comment section. You have 5 seconds to pause the video. Okay, let's take a look at it. So it will throw an error. Why? Because if you take a look at type of A1, let me comment it out, and then if you look over here, it is saying, and what we are doing is we are subtracting an integer from a string, which is not practically possible. That's why our code will throw an error. I hope it is clear to you guys. If you still have any doubt, you can just ask us or rewind the video. I request you guys to like the video and subscribe to our channel, and see you guys in our next video. Bye bye.